So once you've opened up a Canva design, you're going to add in some text in a specific language that you want. Then you're going to go to the left side here, then scroll down and then look for apps. After selecting apps, you're going to search up Translate and then hit enter. And then you're going to select the first option here. This is the default Translate app of Canva. Once you're done, it's going to ask you to choose a language that you want to translate to. I'm going to use Afrikaans. It is one of the many languages in South Africa. You could either choose to translate the page or select text from the current page. I'm going to use Translate Page. Then you go to the bottom and select Translate. You just have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see here, it has translated the English version of the poem to the Afrikaans version. And then if you want to make some changes to the translation options, then you're going to go to the Settings tab up here. And then you can either reduce font size to fit. It has been switched on automatically. It automatically resizes fonts when the translation doesn't fit your design. Or you can duplicate page when translating. So since this is on, it means I have another page where the English version is available, and then the other option where the Afrikaans version is available. So if I want to go back to the English version, then you're going to select the first page, and as you can see here, it is in English again. Then the second one, if I wanted to turn it back to the other language that I translated it to, then I'll select the second page. If you don't want this to be on, then you're going to select this checkbox over here. And then we have mirror page to match text direction. When translating between left to right and right to left, languages automatically mirror the page to match text direction. So you could either decide to switch this on or off if you want to, but I'm going to keep it off. And there you go.